Hi, this is Connie. I am the author and creator of the Color Me Musical Piano Method, and this is our final lesson in Book 1, Lesson 6. This is the book we've been in, the Adagio Piano Book 1 of the Color Me Musical series. The link for this and the next book, it covers the whole series, is in the description below. And if you want more games, more worksheets, even lessons with me, check out my Patreon account. All right, let's get started in Lesson 6. You might know this song, Mary Had a Little Lamb. Now, this is the first song in the book that's 2 pages. This is not the end of the song. We play this page and the next page. Okay, it starts with Elix. Ooh, we usually start on Cade. Can you start on Elix this time? Let's play that first line. Ready? Elix, Dave, Cade, Dave, Elix, Elix, Elix. Does that sound like Mary Had a Little Lamb? Now look at the next line. Dave, 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 rest. Elix, 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 rest. Then you go on and learn the second page. See up here it says page 2. Now you're going to be able to play Mary Had a Little Lamb. That is really cool. This is the last song in the book, Going Home. All right, and I'm not going to give you any help. I'm not going to play it for you, and I'm not going to talk about what's written there. I will let you figure this out all by yourself. And when you're done with this, you are done with the whole book. And then we get to go on to book 2. So I will see you in book 2. Happy practicing.